Hi, Diane. How's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this. I really hope you're watching. And thank you and your company for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. I'm here to audit your site. I'll compare your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more traffic all on your own. The reason we've contacted your company was due to the fact that we've noticed in Arlington, Texas, there is a high search volume for the services that you offer, in this case, landscaping. In this video, I'm going to mainly be going over 3 things you can do today to help bring in more traffic or work. The 3 points or categories are backlinks, content, and citation. Looks like this is your website here, Diane. Right off the bat, I see there's no contents on your home page. All the links are working just fine, which is great. It's a simple navigation, also a bonus. There's not a lot of info, unfortunately. When I go to your projects, you have a good layout, good images regarding your projects. Overall, it's a good website. Unfortunately, not enough content. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage alone. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, it also improves the level of trust inside of Google. Believe it or not, Google spiders will actually crawl onto your website, inspect all the HTML code from paragraph and article elements, and digest all the content that you have there. And that's how they get those keywords, how they go back to the database and place you higher in the search results, all that fun stuff. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords are pretty much just words or phrases that end users enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services, landscaping. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. So this is pretty much just the content category. Just keep that in mind. Let's go over and review backlinks and citation. But for this, let's jump into Arrows here. This is a paid tool. Easily, if you don't mind paying for it, you could purchase this tool and monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. The UR and the DR meter here is the power of your website and the URL domain. A way to increase these ratings are through backlinks and citations. A backlink, Diane, is a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website. That's pretty much what a citation is. And just be careful. Not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with the industry or services that you offer, this can actually hurt your website. So you really want to be careful on that. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And of course, a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar. Ideally, you would like to keep both the UR and the DR meter at a 1:1 ratio here. You currently have 26 referring domains, 58 backlinks, 41 keywords, and around 4 people are jumping onto your website in a monthly basis. You could do better. The keywords you currently have, you're kind of increasing. It looks like a +4. Referring domains, only 26. So not a lot of power going onto your website. I noticed at one point your highest point was at 16 people jumping onto your website, which is great, but you could do even better than that. And this was back in 2018, April of 2018. So currently no power. When we compare to one of your competitors, however, looks like these guys are getting all the attention. Grounds guys. You notice they do have a lot more content. More content here. You have good headings. This is actually a keyword, and I'll show you in just a second. More content. So they do have a lot of content. They have optimized images. You see here, which is great. These are linkable, so they're integrated into their website from another page to this page. which is also a good standing point, a good feature to have in the world of SEO. What they have going behind the scenes, they have 40 keywords. In a monthly basis for that one page is 167 people are jumping onto their website, or I should say that page, from a link up the rankings in Google. Referring domains 8, 19 backlinks. DR58, they are getting a lot of power from those backlinks, and the UR 0.7. So this is where you want to be. They can do more, they can do better with traffic, but this is beatable. You can beat these guys if you're looking to get more traffic onto your website. Jumping onto their keywords list, this is what they have going behind the scenes. This keyword alone, Arlington landscaping, has a search volume of 100 people per month. This keyword here, landscaping Arlington, Texas, has approximately 200 people are searching for your services with this keyword. So let's just say, let's stick with these two keywords, overall 300. Just imagine those 300 people are finding you instead. That's pretty much the whole point of SEO, search engine optimization, is to optimize your website so you could get more traffic. Who doesn't want that, right? All right, Diane, this is what I have for you for now. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. That way you won't get these annoying emails coming from me. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time, Diane. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.